It's against the law, by the way, and Harry admitted that too. It's against the CPUC guidelines, but Uber is doing it with Uber Teen, and Waymo is doing it because of a singular world, which is called primarily. Uber has Uber Teen because Uber's business primarily is adults, not teenagers or children. So is Waymo's. And CPUC put that in there. That's California Public Utilities Commission, saying that if your business is primarily adults, you don't have to go through, or your drivers don't have to go through the fingerprint check, drug test, FBI background check, right? Unlike the other companies whose business is primarily transporting children. That's why their drivers, Kid Kabu and Kid Hop, Skip, and Drive, they have to be vetted properly because their business is primarily children and teenagers.